Before we start with the video, let me wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Over the past few days, I have been working on a mini-game to play with my family during the Christmas holidays. I wanted to create something simple and original, inspired by the games of the old Nintendo Wii. I made the proof of concept using JavaScript and the P5.js library. For body position detection, I used the ML5.js library, which relies on TensorFlow.js. Also, to improve the user interaction, the game uses the speech recognition API available in modern web browsers. After a few hours of work, it was time to test the game in good company. Let's see what you think.
Quan ja us digui ja, Sense fer ximpleries, vinga. Em fico allà. Recordeu, no us encanteu amb lo de situar el cos, vale? Diu la paraula, espereu un segon, diu la segona paraula i per feina. I si voleu que caigui una nova pilota, diu vol, vale? Un sol cop.
Computer.
Vale, vinga, preparats, Quan us digui ja. Ja.
Play. Computer play. Play. Go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Vol.
Ball. Ball. Ball.
Game over.
Oye, tu, 4-4, molt bé. Vinga, una altra. Play.
Estic mort.
Vinga, darrere.